Software started a new chapter in gaming.
Wolfenstein 3D is considered the grandfather of the first-person shooters. It's this combination of World War II and science fiction.
Wolfenstein is taking very visceral World War II experience one step farther with dark magic and supernatural elements.
This fast-action, immersive environment really defined what action shooters are all about.
Now, id Software ushers in the next generation of first-person action with a new chapter in the Wolfenstein series.
Right now is a perfect time for beginning 360 development.
id and Raven are working together to take advantage of all the graphic capabilities that the Xbox 360 has to offer. And what we're doing with Wolfenstein is creating this one large environment that is seamlessly loaded to the player as he explores his world.
The Xbox 360 is the first console that I've ever worked with that actually has development tools that are better for games than what we've got on the PC.
With the new Xbox hardware, we're going to be able to create a world never seen before by the gaming community.
What it is really a way of redefining the way